Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine, you are safe and you are utilizing your time very perfectly, and I expect that, as I have been telling you, that please use this time for your development. And there are a lot of steps available on the internet, lot of information of whatever you may be interested in. You can access, you can explore your that knowledge of your own, so that after some time, 2 to 3 months, you will see a different view of yourself. Anyway, we have finished question exercise 6.2. One question which was lost question, it is left as home assignment for you. I hope you can do it of your own. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about the criteria for similarity. You know, there are the criteria for congruence. You have already familiar with. I have already dropped a video or lecture of that criteria, congruence criteria. I hope all of you have watched that video and understood. You have already actually learned about that in your previous classes. That was just a recapitulation. In today's video lecture, we will do the criteria for similarity. As there are criteria for congruence in the similar fashion, there are criteria for similarity also. So first of all, we will do the AAA similarity. AAA similarity. Remember one thing, in the congruence there is no AAA congruence. What does this AAA similarity means? AA similarity means if in a two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, one angles of a angles of one triangles are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, then two triangles are similar. So we will write, if in a two triangles angles are, sorry, we will write it in another way. I'm sorry here. If angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding angles of another triangle, then triangles are similar. So what does this mean? Let us elaborate it, let's explain it. So if we have a two triangles, suppose we will make the two triangles, let's name them. This is triangle ABC and this is another triangle PQR. According to this statement, this rule, if angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R, then according to this rule, AAA rule, these two triangles are similar. So if we have angle A, if angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R, then according to this AAA similarity, triangle ABC is similar triangle to PQR. Triangle ABC is a similar triangle to PQR. So this is actually, this is the similarity notation. So this is the concept of this AAA similarity. So remember one thing, in case of congruence, important concept here, suppose we have two triangles ABC again and PQR. These are congruent. Suppose these are congruent by whatever means. Whenever we say two triangles are congruent, what happens to the corresponding parts? These are equal. That is AB equals PQ, BC equals QR, and AC equals PR, angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Each corresponding parts will be equal in case of congruence. So what happens when we come into the similarity concept, in the similarity criteria, that two triangles are similar, what happens to the corresponding parts? Remember one thing, whenever you you may hear that two triangles are similar, one thing you have to remember, that corresponding sides are proportional, not equal. In case of congruence, corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal. But in case of similarity, there is a concept that each angles are equal but corresponding sides are proportional. Angles are equal by what we have already, this is already given, but I'm telling you here that suppose you are randomly given that two triangles are similar. So what does this mean? One thing, each corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. That means that is AB by, we will write AB by PQ equals BC by QR equals AC by PR. So there is a difference between similarity and the congruence. In case of congruence, two triangles are congruent, corresponding angle is equal, corresponding side is equal. In case of similar, two triangles are similar, then corresponding angle is equal. So this is common to both similarity and congruence. But what happens to the corresponding sides? These are proportional. That is, they divide in the same ratio. This is very, very important concept. You have to remember it. There is a difference between congruence and similar. So again, I will repeat it here. Suppose we have triangle ABC and we have given that this is similar triangle to PQR. What does this mean? So it means angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R, and AB by PQ equals BC by QR equals AC by PR. So suppose they are now congruent, then what happens to the corresponding parts? AB equals PQ, BC equals QR, AC equals PR. Angles are equal. Angles are equal to both the criterias, both the types, but the sides are proportional in case of similar, sides are equal in case of congruence. This is the very important concept you have to remember. So today we have discussed this criteria. It is AAA, angle property. So, and one thing you have to remember, that it is not, there is no criteria rule AAA in case of the congruence of the triangles. In case of similarity of the triangles, there is AAA. So in the next video lecture, we will do some more criteria regarding this. I hope you will enjoy it, you will understand it. If you still have any doubt or confusion regarding this, please let me know that. Thank you, class.